So we give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave. Give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave. Front door no open, you could come to the back. Come to the back, girl, come to the back. And if the front door no open, you can come to the back. Come to the back, girl, come to the back.
Namulilwa, hey, Fraininali, oh, Namulilwa, hey, Fraininali, eh, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari, Namulilwa, eh, Fraininali, oh, Namulilwa, eh, Fraininali, oh, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari.
Why your lady come to the house? She want, she a mouse, she can't do it out. Cause she want it, so me give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave. Give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave.
Jump on me, wind up a waist. 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 Pretty wine, my girl, pretty wine. Got it move it to the grind. Pretty wine, my girl, pretty wine. Got it move it to the grind. Yeah, rompe, yeah, rompe, yeah, rompe, yeah, rompe, yeah, rompe.
Give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave. Give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, I know she no want leave. Front door no open, you could come to the back. Come to the back, girl, come to the back. And if the front door no open, you can come to the back. Come to the back, girl, come to the back.
Namulilwa, hey, Fraininali, oh, Namulilwa, hey, Fraininali, eh, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari, Italy, but the Gini, the Alway, Abayu Kumari, Namulilwa, eh, Fraininali.
Yeah. Aye, yes. Live. Yes, wait to go on, don't wait to go on. We'll get to late dive for Baga Radio Station 91.7 FM. Yeah, you on?
Yeah. It is. Oh. Consigo. Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now this one.
Aye. Yeah, we're good. Yeah.
Where we there?
Huh? I want hire. Uh-huh. Yeah. What's up, sir?
All right. Yeah.
Why everything live?
All
Everything
right,
is
baby.
live. Everything is.
We're back
everything
live
is-
that long time now.
Yeah, been a while. Look at. Why
Oh,
everything?
with the hand for you.
Where with?
Hey. And we got walk rough.
What? Look how big the okra there.
Oh.
It's been a while, Bushman. It's been a while. Ladies and gentlemen, say good night. With the green house, Stone Creek, yeah. To have to give a guard up, Pine Punta Gorda. Barango, Same Bidi, Georgetown, Hopkins, Uganda. Dan Griga, Balisi. Long Sulo Balisi. We get a die for Baga Radio Station, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful sun and hot and humid here in Culture Capital alongside Wadawada Bushman Faltas Alberto here. And again, ladies and gentlemen, we are here tonight. There's a couple of things I want to talk about tonight, but yes, we say good night, Sharon Nicasa, Simon Bull. This is a while I like Bushman come say a lot of fans start show.
Easy, no, man. Easy.
You know, fans just.
Oh,
So what's going on? What's going on, Bushman?
Why, when you know, it's a sorrowful time and a joyful time because you know life is, and that's why I appreciate life and how it is, because it's like this is about Consejo right now.
Yeah, Consejo by
What I'm
Consejo.
talking about. I mean, like I said, we talk about it, we spoke about it, we got a show. It's a long time. I haven't been on here because I've been so busy supporting my people and doing what we do. But like I say before, it's a sad thing with Consejo. That's a badass dude. Yeah, right there. Another artist from Aurelio to Oja Awori.
Well, Bushman, this the the artists are what? The wedding story. This the artists.
No one, no one,
we worry.
By a frightened.
But again, man, this a young, energetic artist.
Yes.
I met him on a few occasions. He's my neighbor
Yeah, okay.
in Hopkins, because that's where we go and hang out a few times. And he's very quiet to stick to himself. Believe it or not, but he's very talented. And I want to say this though, when we talk about Consejo, ladies and gentlemen, the young artists, they have their ways, and they demand a lot, but at the same time we are supposed to be there for them, and we learn from this experience, and so we don't repeat some of the same things that our people before us put forward, and and put all this pressure. But nonetheless, God call a man. We never know when we're going.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
And that's the one thing I gotta say something about, because that's why life, we appreciate life every day. That's why sometimes they ask me like, what about life? I say, man, life is like waking up to see another day. Because if my mother died at 102.3. My mom died at 102.3. So I asked her, Mom, how you live so, how you do it? He says, son, it's day at a time, and be aware of what's up, she said. So there we go, But for all the people out there, our fans, 91.7, Daifa, Garifuna Radio, at home and abroad, wherever you're at, we have to love each other and appreciate the time we have, because, like you said, that's the thing within life and death. It's mysterious. You never know. We don't know when. We don't know why. We don't know where. We don't know, but when it come like that. And it's always gonna be like that. I think
Yeah,
it's a mystery.
it is a mystery. So we never prepare ourselves. Just be ourselves.
Even me myself, sometimes say, well, you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready, but and still when you come with surprise and pain,
Yeah,
and joy too.
yeah,
But it always is a mystery and surprising about life. That's why I say we have to go one day at a time and appreciate ourselves and things like that to keep the culture alive and do what we do. Because, like I say, we have to enjoy every moment and
We
do
have
what
to.
we do. Like this is a shocking thing to me.
Yeah.
Can no do to. He's energetic. He remind me of myself when I get on stage. Cause know I'm not easy. Well, and then he's a younger dude that is full of energy. That is not easy. It was
like
surprise.
I look like the energy never go down, though. Huh?
No, he never go down.
Never go down. Never go down.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I said, when I watch her, I think about myself, how I behave sometimes, how I rest and how I do things. He's a really exciting artist.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
That is going on. So, but at the same time, we have to, with respect for him, we're going to miss him. For sure, Hopkins going to miss him. We're going to miss him. The whole world going to miss him.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because he's a great artist as well.
Yeah, exactly.
You know
exactly.
what I mean? And
exactly.
he's tight, so, you know.
Man, he's
Sympathy goes to him and his family and the whole environment and our country and what we go through. But it's just a situation of wisdom
yeah.
for us to know how to appreciate ourselves as well, as far as I could see, because these things are here for all of us. You know?
And we have to know when to fill in.
I feel it every time someone die, I trip. Well, leave it, but I can't trip too much because we have to live and carry on.
Yeah.
You see? But it bothers me because as a human being, whatever happened to any human being could happen to us too. Because we are humans too.
We are humans.
And we are going to die anyway, but I mean, I don't want to put it like that, but it's on the real, so we got to make use of our time. We never know, and I think he did a good job. It's still sad how it happened, because we never expect that. One cycle.
Just like that.
You see me?
And you talk about
That's
this
why
all
I
the
go
time.
back again. I don't want to go away, but enough respect. But same time too, we are alive. We have to. The youth them out there on them bike and thing. I don't know how we gonna do this, but
Why? But this their bike carry these bicycles take a lot of life already and a lot of limbs. This is like the first life we have taken. You know, we don't know really the circumstances surrounding it, but you know,
but it's on a bike.
it's on a bike, man. It's
And
on a
took
bike.
one of our greatest artists
Correct.
and
Correct.
youth too. You know,
Yeah.
and youth. You know,
But Consigo, like I said, you know, I think the man, he live a life, you know, when they take care of God, no.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
for the simple fact that we don't know where we're going, but we learn
Yeah.
from these every day for make our life a little, you know, morally suitable, more convenient. You know, like safety guys. We talk about safety guys. He's at a he's a you know, this is why I say artists sometimes, right? Like artists believe that you're supposed to big them up every day. We do big up artists every day, but we cannot have a vigil for artists every day. Artists not there. It doesn't die every day in our country like that. But we do respect our artists. We do love our artists, and we do appreciate our artists. But maybe the artists want to hear it more. Here, a lot of artists demanding that they want to hear that they're very good. I mean, once you bring across music or any talent like that, we appreciate it, artists. And you know, without you, we got down days. You got music for that. We got up days, up tempo music for that. So there's a whole variety of music for different feelings that you're having, different emotions that you're having throughout the day, right? So our artists come into play. Now, what I want to talk about, I want you to help me chime in with this, Todoa, and we have it here. So, but before we talk more, or play a little bit more music for Consigo music about the parents, right? I've been hearing a lot of things about the parents and the media when it comes to this Easter time. They had a couple incidents in Hopkins, in Griega, whereby parents or adults out there, just getting it loose and showing all out there like that, and then you get captured by the media. Right now, everybody got media. Everybody got a phone. Everybody got a phone. And what I say is that we born naked,
Yeah.
right? We born naked.
But that don't mean you have to show naked.
Well,
But we born naked.
we born naked. We born
we are
naked.
dead naked.
We are dead naked. You understand? But this culture now of everybody having an opinion, everybody have something to say.
Like someone said something about I saw on the I kind of was kind of one I don't know if she's like if she's a media or whatever, but like she had a comment like we're going like Jamaicans, and then she used a word like the kids are acting up, and then we're going into like Jamaica. She said that tall black girl said something like we're going to hoard them with how the maybe she's
The vibes was going like how
and like what
the
you
events.
saying, how the youths are dressing.
Okay. You see
So he said something like we coming like Jamaica or something where they show all their parts, and like we're going to, she used the word like going into whoredom, like with how they dressing. Like same thing you're saying how they
well, it's strange to us when it's strange to us when you wear clothes and then all of a sudden you don't wear clothes. But we are a beach community, believes we're the front of the sea, especially here in the south. We're the front of the sea. We use the sea. I mean, we naked.
I think
We're the front of the sea. I mean,
I think maybe what
we're
she-
beach
I think
people. We're
maybe
beach boys.
What that person mean? I think maybe we mean that the I think maybe it mean the kids are dressing up the kids.
Okay, the kids are just
the
adults,
youth.
like adults,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
adults,
the minors.
like the minors as well.
I watch it too. I got a beach bus and I watch it. I chill in my car now and watch. Oh my God, I'm telling you, man. Like, I know these kids are 12, 13, minors, man. That's what I'm
I
saying.
see what you.
I think that's what she's saying too. Like, yeah, okay for the adults. Let's say, 'cause you're grown, but for minors,
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that. Minors have their place, adults have their place. So, what I would recommend, and I did call the promoter on that. I call him personally and I tell him, man, here they go, because I know the promoter for the beach bash, right? And I tell him, man, bye, this is how they going, this is how they going. Man say, okay, sit, man, they tap it already. 6 o'clock, by 6 o'clock, the children supposed to go home, like how,
how it used to be.
Oh, it used to be. The other manners that way, you don't have that. But I'm not a moral officer where I'm going to say, well, you have to dress this way,
exactly.
you have to act this way. Children belongs where children belongs, and adults belongs where adults belong. And point blank, where the children they see out there, that's the way they want to do. Where the adults, they're not for their time, right? When their time comes, they want to do the same thing with adults to do out there, but they're not for their time. My thing is that the children just go home, by the time it start get dark, we'll go home.
Yeah,
We're not supposed to.
minors.
All minors will go home.
And then they should even have the law enforcement for that. Because
Exactly.
you know, good guy sit and look, I say, fuck, I got my grandkids. I look at them, I say, why she must be 12, 13 and thing like that, just observing. I didn't want to walk wrong. I just gotta go chill and observe and say, oh my God. But things like that, well,
Yeah, you look like your crowd flow. Your guys from Anthony Garcia. These guys want you to go closer to the mic to work as I think.
okay, yeah, really relax.
Yeah. You're in your zone.
Right, yeah. And I cool like that, cause I don't know the thing said.
Well, I know
You know? Well.
Our whole mind stop
That
because
part,
I want the people.
so?
Your fans want to see.
Well, you know the thing said, like we saying, like, all right, thank you all out there for responding on the frequency out there and how you're hearing me, because for sure you know which one go. I want to hear me for real.
Yeah. So moving along with the conversation, ladies and gentlemen. When it comes to the media, how would the media work? It's not the responsibility of the media to watch on picnic. We understand how things have changed, how things have evolved. Our recommendation is I'm talking about from Daifa. From Daifa, uno make sure uno pick me the home, uno got somebody take care of pick me before 6. Because anything happen after 6 or when the sun go down, it's no bars. People drink up, people are crazy, people jump in the water, people jump off a building, people, it's a wild time, people have fun.
For real.
You know, and that is what's happening. And what you see on the screen, because before screen that may happen, whatever they put, it just happened on a. No, you could see it, you could readily see it right now. It's not right, and you can't blame the media for that. So just out right now. The media have absolutely nothing to do with that. You understand? The media out there to do a job, to win and have watermelon eating contest, and have beer
we
drinking
transmitting
contest.
to you guys so you could enjoy what's going on in the world and our community as well. Cause same thing we do with the foreign transmission as well.
Correct.
You know how we know where to go on the LAC way and stuff like that. That's what we do.
Correct.
We transmit to you in your living room, let you know what's up with 91.7 Daifa Garifuna Radio at home and abroad and right here in Griga. That's what we do. So we got to keep you informed.
Correct.
What's up?
Correct. We have our role to do. Like what Doa said. International or international, we will bring it to you into your living room. And you know what? That those people who really get upset on seeing it or try to get upset, that they want who not go out nowhere, just watch it live there, and they just instead of bring a solution to the table, they want to condemn the kids too. You can't condemn the kids, right?
No, because the kids have parents.
The kids, they have parents,
And
absolutely.
then we have a society, because remember one time we used to say, it's sad right now, remember we said a village raised a child.
Exactly, Doa.
You know?
Exactly.
But
So
today it's getting kind of weird today with how even the parents are
yeah.
to their kids. Because sometimes you can't tell no parent not like enough with the kids. Because sometimes you tell parents something, parents say for put the work by you.
Another one. Next thing, so how we
and
are,
cuss you out.
they become defensive, right? They
Yeah,
defend the
for
picnic.
sure.
That's they send the picnic out
Yeah.
there like that. You're not supposed to send a picnic out there like that. So we expect people to say, huh?
Can I go through it too? 'Cause I went through a very hard time with my child. I have daughters too, that I went through some certain situation, you know, where I observed what when my daughter going out, I saw a suit there, boy.
Ah, boy.
You not going out of the house. Then first time.
Well, I got cassava with
Yeah. Me the about thing again, Munato. Me the about you again, because look out. When I tell you about showtime, I didn't tell you about showtime. When I tell you about showtime, I tell you, go so back and front then. Look out. I check on yes. I said, why tonight you're not going out? Here we do, we get a bucket of water, walk around to Wagu. Yeah, my baby boy. My baby. My baby is tight right now, everything, and thanks among you, Baba. But I go to it too. Because young people, I've got some young one to go to it.
What your point,
So
Doa?
I have a year ago, at no for a cabana dinga.
But your point, Doa,
You know?
the parent have to stop it.
Yeah.
You have to nip it. If you don't nip it, they will continue dress how they want to dress.
Yeah.
Right?
You have to.
You can't blame the picnic, that the parents you have to blame. The
Yeah.
picnic, the who buy anything for me.
Yeah. And then the media. You got the media meaning like Facebook, America, and all the things on TV they seen, and then they picking up the negative thing instead of positive things, so they get like that because, you know, in the States it's different. Education is different. The kids are aware they could do that, but in Belize, they try to follow, but they don't have the wisdom to follow that trend. But you want to follow it.
Yeah.
Just like when the boy said, when he said, my boy Hopkins said, big fish, you look good, you dress good, you got 2 chains, you this, that, but you're broke.
You're wrong.
That way I'm bad fish.
For Hopkins. Mad fish or bad fish?
Look like American, dress like American, but that way, you see
Why?
the brain are different things, but anyway,
Well,
you know,
me add it have to say, the media have its role to do in showcasing. We just can't show the good. We have to show the good, bad, and the ugly because this world not perfect.
and sometimes we just show We don't know that good or bad. We just have free job for show. We show.
Yeah, that's true.
Because sometimes
We
you
can't
see
judge
that,
nobody.
You know, because some people say, I won't say thing why they say. Some people say, but that our job, we are mental people and, you know,
We not out there for judge.
you know.
We the show the reality.
work.
We the work. We
That's
not
our
the show.
job, we are media.
Correct.
That's what we do. Yeah. Anyway,
We not cut nothing. We not edit nothing. Where you see when the camera come on, that's the way you say.
But-
We don't make up nothing out there, though.
but back to our main topic, we are here tonight, 91.7 for
Consigo. Consigo.
Just strip into different things, but we are here for Consigo tonight.
Absolutely.
We want to get off the topic too. You know, that's why we're here tonight. This show is for Consigo.
And I know he would agree with us on this topic. He's an entertainer, you know.
Yeah.
He's a musician. He's a songwriter, and when he's out there, energetic,
Yeah, very energetic.
providing this same type of this hype music to these young people and old people, you know, he's a part of this. Consigo has inspired a lot of young people. He have a lot of fans out there. So kudos to him and rest in peace to Consigo and his family. You know, we support. They're asking for a moment so that they could gather themselves because everybody's shocked.
Right. I am myself. I knew him. He's a great artist, energetic. Like I say, you remind me like a little doer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for real. He's good. And
By the way-
sympathy goes, respect goes.
Well,
Family, fans, and supporters worldwide.
worldwide. Now, let's go to our comments because they come in. Which one have to come in more often, man? You have to come in more often.
My people, my friends, like I say, I'm sorry. Because usually we show on Thursday, but we are involved with business too and different things. So we're busy all over the country doing things, but it's good things for develop our city of Riga.
Correct. No, let's go to the topic. Let's go to Lovina. She say okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot go over all these artists. And I'm here to also, again, we're here for Consigo. We're talking about this topic because it has to do with entertainment. It has to do with the Easter celebrations.
Right.
You know, and he was supposed to perform on Sunday.
Yeah.
We're in Hopkins. And Hopkins.
Right, Hopkins.
Right, so she said they go to Ione Longsworth. She's saying, man, this is so true. It hit hard. That's my sister. I said hit hard. Ione.
Shock the hell out of me if it's sure.
Anthony Flo Garcia. He said, I can't hear Faltas. That's well. Okay. You could hear the man now. Salome Gutierrez. He said, good night. Good night, Salome. Good night. Arlene Enriquez. Yep, man. I was in Hopkins and the young people were practically naked. Time have changed.
Oh, yeah.
This young lady, I noticed it.
Yeah.
Time has changed.
That's what I'm talking about.
But again, you can't blame the young people. Remember, we're born naked, you know.
Yeah.
We
But we got parents too.
We got parents now.
I like naked, but then I've got control of naked and parents too.
and that's where the parents come in for
They don't like it naked then.
So the parents have to control. The parents need to control the nakedness.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Definite the minors then that the parents buy their clothes. Or I know if I like gangbang when you get on the corner,
Change
you
clothes.
look by your house like church. Why when you get on the corner look at 1, 2 staggering. I don't know if maybe they left the house dressed, but the parents gotta get on it.
Have to.
Yeah.
Lovina Suazo. Women should respect themselves, especially when they are grown adults. I was at Tipsy Tuna Sunday, and for sure 2 girls were there, and I know they were not 18 yet. They were like 14 or 15. I was like, where are the parents? Their parents and the way they dress, the way they dress, they dancing. Now I want to look on. If I miss anything, mine, they tell me one daughter. But I look, Lavina, you just stand around and you don't gonna tell the picnic go home. Are you afraid for tell them?
Yeah, she afraid.
Are you afraid?
Yeah,
at least you say you was almost there, Lavina.
Yeah, but because
Say something to the young people, man.
no, because then there are young people out there. You know, you have to go like You have to go like what Padum or something like that. I got out there at the time. Them pick no easy, so you go tell them pick the next thing you know, a lot of things going on. No. So I think, or if you do it, you have to be before out there.
So you don't
And
get.
when they out there can't pick no easy, like they beat you up no.
Yeah, true that. True that too.
Half of body tie around here.
Yeah, true. Half of
And then tie around here, out there.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you are looking
Yeah, bang with the nick
you
at the
talk
home.
to your own picnic out there, you are, oh. Kaya niya around here.
But look like they smell themselves and then like 12, 13 and they smell up.
They know
They
they
smell
smell
up the-
the whole world smell themselves, but that the guidance to smelling yourself.
You have a control of scent.
That's what I say.
Control the
Right?
scent.
Parents, very important. Like I said, my daughter was at that stage. I went through it too. But that day, when they put on that dog hole there, her name may be.
Well, why?
When I tell you, when they left my house, back and front,
Why?
out.
I could imagine.
She not come out, she not come out at the door yet. Back and front, but chatting there with them, say thing, yeah. How about when you go to you not going out there, we have wet you up. Because we never use force cars.
Yeah.
Get
Why?
that child. Tonight, change the clothes if you want to go out. And then they got companion too. Because sometimes that 2, 3 are there, you know.
That was
Then
set.
yeah.
That was click.
Yes, that was click.
Sometimes at 5 though.
Yeah, 5 and then.
Minimum of 5, girl.
Tight, 5 and then tight.
Yeah. And you have to watch it too because they
I
think
can't treat, man.
they think that
But
you
you
don't
don't
know that
understand.
they rest a girl will hang out with them. Guy have extra outfit for them too, no, just in case.
Yeah.
They were you know the thing fitting on a smiley thing like this.
Oh, yeah, man.
Everything for them girl fitting on a smiley thing like
Markets, everything that's silk. Tight.
everything
Tight.
tight.
Fat.
Tight.
Understand me? Yo.
All right, Anthony.
Real.
Anthony Fo. He said, "Thank you, Maurice, for telling my cousin to speak into the mic. He sounds way better now, Maurice. This is for your neighbor. I love Daifa. Why for? Why for? Why? I try. I try. I try. I don't want.
sense.
I try. Remember for why? Yo, yeah, for yeah, for why? Yeah, for why?
Yeah.
For Harlem, why?
Yeah, you don't say it. Yeah, big man for Harlem Syria.
Yeah, for-
Respect of our Syria.
Yeah.
Don't know the thing said.
Yeah,
Pressure, we have to tighten it up.
correct.
Because our city, we got to do things.
Correct, though.
Yeah, man, for real.
Correct.
real.
You know what for tell me.
How you mean?
The
I
one
don't
of-
know what I got through. That is my city. I got to try help my tongue, man. I got to try help my city.
Correct. All right.
That's what's up. That's what I do.
All right, more of this. Joy Diego, she's saying these parents are their young daughters now of these days. Man, it's no joke. Hence the reason I prefer stay home. As a woman, I feel so bad when I see my beautiful young ladies dressing in such an unacceptable manner. Why? Huh? Then Big Packy. Boy, Mr. Pack.
Boy,
Packity book. Packity back.
Sittee pack.
City Pack.
Youngest MC
in the world.
of the easy man.
Yeah,
What's
what
up
up?
with him?
We
Where
know-
he at?
Yeah, he'll be here for the Mayor's Cup start on Sunday. It's gonna be
guys,
big game, big people.
Lord
We're back
God.
in live action.
Oh, we got another level now. Me ask up. Now we go. There can see up. Me ask up. Children.
No, all right, make we stick
Why,
to
we
the
got
point.
a lot of work.
Make we
By the
stick.
way,
Make we stick to the
Just
point.
saying that me ask up the when Sunday
Sunday.
starting. All right,
No,
big dollar.
no. Ronnie Williams, rest in peace. Doreen Castillo, she said good night. Your neighbor Doreen Malador. You need to what? Oh yeah. When a musical break right now, we read the comments. We went straight to music.
All right, go to
Yeah, what's the musical comment?
I want to keep my fans then tight.
All right, then Patricia Thomas Castillo. These young kids today will fight you, fight for you right there. You're right.
I'm telling you, bro, it's a new world, bro. It's sad for our territory. Because education is the key, remember.
Education is the
The
key.
bigger word, they know what they're doing. And the kids are educated to this kind of stuff, but in Belize it's like raw. You know, the kids don't know what they do. They follow by Facebook and watching American children and how they are and trying to apply it, but the wisdom is different.
Very different.
You know, because, sorry to say, I don't go any farther. I'm not saying nothing much crazy.
Let's read 2 more comments before we
All
take
right, yeah,
we take a musical break.
Yeah, you know you got fans.
Yeah.
They're hot out there, bro.
Vicky Nick,
I
it's
want.
kind of hard to talk to most of these young people now. If you notice, most of these young ladies' mothers are young. The child is the mother while the mother is the child. Wow.
Yes. No,
You're right, you're right. Wow.
Why?
Why? You're right.
Oh, I see. Boy, one time when I was growing up, anybody could talk to you or do a thing. Right now, like I say, it's sad to say, you tell any parent about their picnic, the parent, they look for have you.
You're right.
They
No.
won't complain. One time you get applied or you could apply different punishment to the child because remember I take a village to raise a child or a city, but not now.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm going to go and cut on.
I'm gonna go and cut on.
Look here. A fire burn, see away.
No, Havana
See me?
Jones, they say, these children of today are their mother's spitting image. She not a lie.
Well, there we go.
She not a lie at all.
There we go.
Why? Consigo tale.
Ah, yeah. What are you doing away?
Representando contigo, all the girls them will come to the bash. And pop off them top when they reach at the bash. Me I tell you, real thing you know. And them girls come with the mother clothes. What is that, Jack? Baby girl, you're so fine. No dancing me, no dancing you. Oh girl, you'll be mine all the time, all the
She pop the tag, and in her heart. When she pop the tag, Lord of mercy, give up. He bust the tag, 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 bust the tag.
No dancing me, no dancing you. Baby girl, you're so fine. No dancing me, no dancing you. Oh girl, you'll be mine all the time, all the time. Bust the cat, 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 bust the cat.
Song better now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's real. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know, for real, though. Yeah.
Can I call another bad member from Sweet Pain on the stage right now?
Yes. We're back. We're back.
Yes.
We're back. Clear. Wow.
No, the
Yeah.
thing's set.
Everything is clear now. Yeah. No.
Uh-huh.
The second part of this thing, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, again, the first, the second, the third part of the show about Consigo.
Yes.
You know,
Everything more Consigo tonight.
Correct.
Kind of sickness I tell you about. Watch it carry live right now, 91.7. Got riff in the radio, wherever you at. at home and abroad, Arabo, at the oceans, in the Keys, wherever you're at, you're getting back. It's on and cracking up in here.
Yeah. One of the ones and twos, we got the Bushman, ladies and gentlemen, giving you all the highlights, and this is an energetic person just like Consigo. And for the young people that's out there, you know, he brings a lot of positive. Just you can't take this thing to heart sometime, ladies and gentlemen. You know, entertainment and it just goes together with the dress code. I really personally don't have no problem with dress code, you know.
Yeah, for
I
sure.
don't have no problem with dress code. I would say in a line with Consigo and entertainment and stuff like that, because you know he just passed away a few days ago. Rest in peace. Is that, you know, the picnic were dressed the same way you dress, and not carry your picnic that were adult affair. They're not they not skip again. They're not the hula hook again.
Ain't nothing. No, they are tang.
No lime and spoon again.
Yeah, you got to get some more creativity.
Yes, man.
That's why I told dude the other day, but maybe, I don't know, maybe they're more into the business and listening, that when we have these beach bash, we have to be creative. We got a lot of skills. We got volleyball, we got a lime and spoon, we got soccer, we got control soccer. We got kite, we got things that have to be involved for the children. It's not about just tanka, and stuff like that, you know.
I
already mentioned that, but
you say the promoter now, you know, that's a good thing, right?
You know?
That you suggest.
So kids could come out. The children, you have got program for the children. Beach bass about the children as well, from early to 6. Larry Gisisi, so in Rahi, Ebaguyo, safely. Cause they don't joke right now. Yeah, so just saying things like that too. You have to make it creative. You know, not just go there at Sata, just to put on all this easy stuff and drink. We got volleyball people, we got soccer people, we got track. You know, that we could improvise. Hopefully the promoters are listening to me too.
Well, you know,
think about it
but the promoters are that. So this message is to kind of like help the promoter.
Yeah, help the promoter.
You know, and people could
make it better.
Make it better for children. Put up children aspect.
I know the promoters. They are my brethren and friends and stuff. But you know, we just put it out there. I tell them before and make it creative for the youth them, so they could be active rather than just say they bay. You know what I mean? And
I'm 100% with you with that though. The promoter is a good person, you know. He listens. He's he listens. And now people know that into these things has to come. He might not have the idea. That's the thing. His idea is to put things out there, which is a good thing. But now we have people that have to bring these things back for children. There's no children activity out there but football and basketball.
Yeah.
Only football and basketball out there.
That out there. That's not out there at beach.
No beach.
No, not out at beach.
So we got to do something about that.
No, nothing. Football, that's not out at beach. When you go to beach, that's strictly into tank and the bay and all that. Nothing right now, I be out there, nothing for the youth. And like I said, I mentioned it before, we need things for...
Well, again, the promoter is doing what he knows best.
Yeah. I mean, the promoter.
No, we're not knocking the promoter. No, not at all.
Say the promoter more prepared for adults.
Yes.
Drinking and things.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
We need a children's segment.
We need
children's segment.
Like, you start from 12. We got things for the kids, where the kids they roll off nice thing in their prize, exercise book, pen, different things, computer, laptop, whatever, phone, whatever.
You know what? They had some people out there doing that, you know. They had some people out there doing that on the other side. That's what they had. They had planned to do that, but I didn't see any fruition of it.
Yeah.
You know, maybe because they don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
They don't know how to bring out the children, so they need to start reintroducing these type of activities in the community.
Promoting out there, listening to us, so you could put this. I want to see when I go there. I want to see things for the kids. You got a lot of things. Easy squeezy. You got track. You got volleyball, you got soccer, you got control. You could do a lot of things with the kids and give them like things for school. The prizes not have to be money.
Correct.
Like big people, the adults, how they do things. You know, just give them things for schooling and stuff like that.
Correct. That's what they're supposed to focus on by A's and B's.
Ball, you get out volleyball.
The A's and B's, not the bat suit.
Yeah.
The B as in
No, when
basketball.
then we come down. When you come adults, you can come naked for one.
Why? I
Kind of naked, man.
When we have an adult, just like we have an adult section of the show,
That's what I say.
because we out the show what we saying, what we don't know with the show, you know, we don't pull back for nothing.
No, we just-
because if we don't show it, then what we are talk about, how we will fix it.
Right.
Sometimes some pick me and say, oh, man, they lie for me.
Yeah.
What they lie for you on the sleep for the live, man. Come on,
Yeah,
come on.
for real.
Put 2 and 2 together, 3 and 3 together, or 1 and 1 together. All right, so suck this. Why they comment say blow up this thing here tonight.
You know the thing said.
We're going.
What you tell
Again,
you? Bushman alongside.
Rest in peace.
Hi,
Fonzie.
dog, yes. Maurice. Herrera, the general, the man behind the machine.
Represent
How you mean? Kejan, where you there? I just said that. But we are here. Bring it. Yes, we are here for Consigo. Young artist.
Why your lady come around? Say she want, she a want. Say she can't do it all, cause she want it. So me give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, and now she no want it. Give her what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need, and now she no want it.
Jump on me when you go wave. 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 Crazy wine, my girl, crazy wine. Got you know fit to the grind. Crazy wine, my girl, crazy wine. Got you know fit to the grind. Iya rompe, ya rompe, iya rompe, iya rompe, iya rompe, iya rompe,
So me give
iya
her
rompe.
what she want, and still yet she want more. Give her what she need.
1, 2, 3, go. Consiga, tell it. All the girls we got on them one clothes. Is that in? I think they have kids here. They have you right. Big up all the people who come visit with. In no expand. Start at the kid down to the kid. Start at the kid down to the kid. Start at the kid down to the kid. Start at the kid. Hey, noticing me, noticing you, baby girl. You're so fine. Noticing me, noticing you. Oh, girl, you be mine.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's countdown time now. We got about 5 more minutes in the show, ladies and
you don't say
gentlemen.
it.
Countdown time. We're here live on 91.7 FM alongside the Bushman. But Bushman, before we read these couple of comments, though, what's up with the plumbing loving? I mean,
I know I never want to say it. I know you said that. I never want to say it.
what's going on with that? How many people need to know? I mean, is it on the market soon? Is it coming up soon?
Well, everything done tight. I tell you everything tight. The only time is like right now, you know everything's set. So whoever needs some energizer for the body is ready now. So you just have to holler me
Right.
at 6119254.
So you want me to bust it next week Tuesday?
Well, all right then, man. Next week Tuesday, bro.
Okay, so I can tell the people now. I can tell the people now.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
guys here now from LA to Griga.
So we have an American international bitters called Plumbing Loving Bitters.
Yes.
It's gonna be in stores. It's gonna be in your stores. Pushing off on Tuesday night here on 91.7 FM on 7:30 to 7:30 tomorrow.
Yes.
Tuesday, right?
Yes.
So look out for Plumbing Loving Bitters. It's a bitter.
Energizer for the body. Keep healthy. And remember gripe water. It's good for the beard.
Why is it?
All
All right, go ahead.
It's good for the baby. 9 years old with peanut belly.
No 9 years. No 9
days, not years.
No 90
No. Days.
years old.
Like gripe water is good for your stomach. I
right, good.
experiment on my children and several people. It's very good. Even if you don't drink, you can have it in your house for a little tonic. It's very good. Even when you got stomach issues, trust me,
Wow.
it's happening
All right.
and going on. It's tight.
Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. Tuesday for that. Tuesday. I don't know why I bring it up for about time. Tuesday. All right, now, Vicky Nick, it takes a village to raise a child. But in today's world, even the village is afraid to help
Yes,
discipline these youth.
exactly.
True, Tenaro.
I I don't want to say more. I could get graphic, but I don't want to at this in the
No,
show.
Randy Williams.
This is what I do with you right now.
Yeah, YouTube. Randy Williams is saying, Diver, what are the plans you have coming up to honor our fallen brother Consigo? Randy, well, we're still in the planning stage right now. We will contact our brethren there in Hopkins Village. More than likely, that's where the tribute will be at.
Yeah.
So we will plan something huge. Of course, you know how we do it at Daifa.
And then at the same time, we'll let you know, but it's in a planning stage.
It's in the planning stage, yes.
We'll let all our Daifa fans know what's up as things proceed.
Correct.
'Cause everything fresh.
Everything just happened.
So we'll let our fans know and all our people know what's up because we're going to be there.
Exactly.
We have to be there.
We will be there.
Yeah.
We will be there.
Don't know the thing said.
So, Randy, just keep that thought. Keep your prayers for the family. Keep the family in your prayers. You have to keep them strong during this time, bereavement. But Daifa, along with it's in early stages for a tribute to Consigo, and it's going to be big and massive. I could tell you that right now. Just look out for something big and massive. All right, we're on our home turf in Hopkins. That's our territory to do.
Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah.
I know you work out there too. You got peoples out there. You're international, so it's going to happen.
That's my stamping ground right there.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh man, someone from the States want the plumbing loving.
Oh,
ladies and gentlemen.
All right, you know what? All right. I got something to say with that. Hold up. All right, but I don't want to say.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, and how about we that states we can buy then? Yes, you'll be able to buy the plumbing lock. She want to buy on Tuesday, so.
Oh, Tuesday, well.
Because I done the promise there.
Well, we have to work it out and set up something. Because at the same time, hopefully, I don't want to say it,
Don't say it, though. Let's move. Moving on.
Yeah, I don't want to say something.
Moving on.
I've been coming to you wherever you at. Drop it like that for now. Drop it
like that. Man. Why? All right. Look, we're gonna do two more comments for the rest of the night, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's getting. That's why I don't like when the Bushman comes to take over the show, and it's not about taking, it's about working together.
Right, that's what
we
do.
About working together, right?
We are life, baby. So this is what we do. Yeah, for sure.
Esther Flowers, she say good night. Avanda Jones, she say, and how about Fuida States? We can buy it too. Whoa!
Hey, Avanda, it's coming to you.
It's coming to you. It's coming
to you.
All right. I know. Mark Anthony Wagner.
To your live.
Wagner is saying, not throwing stones, but the media is also responsible of what is being streamed. Maybe the adult stream should be for adults only. Well, Mr. Wagner, we show what is out there. We don't have any personal opinion on these things because we can't judge people on what happen out there.
Yeah.
What I could say is that it will be preferred if the parents take that responsibility and we will help push it. Right? We could say right now, what we are saying right now, adults have their segment and the children have their segment.
That's it.
That's how we could say on that right now.
Fair enough. I think that's good enough.
Yeah. The media role, the media shows what, it shows what it sees so that we as a community could address it.
Do like what we're doing.
And then
we've
seen it. Then I say with the live.
What we're doing. Yeah, we show you live. So
because some parents will say with the live on Epic,
No.
They say with the live. They're right there, show up on the live.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You see, they're right there. They're not like we. They're out there.
Yes.
Yeah, we just bring it to you live, and we're concerned about our concerns.
All right.
Eat away! Darling, my darling, I know you have me wanting a chance. Darling, my darling, I know you have me wanting to dance with you, dance with you, dance with you, dance with you. Namule, 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 lua, make we come together. was so sweet. The party time, put her in the party bike. The way you dance is so unique. But the curve up with a whole lot of meat. You're not a girl, you are the life of the party girl. Best for me that you roommate. Wine for me 19. Go find out where the good then him nice for me nice. Darling, my darling.
The girl them say she ready to go down. Well, so she ride it like a rodeo, but she don't want to go. Ride it like a rodeo, but she don't want to go.
We are close with our last two. Never do. Give me a closing thoughts, man, on this Consigo, rest in peace.
Well,
you know?
my closing thoughts gonna be for the futuristic youth them in our country, at home and abroad. Keep safe. Watch the traffic. Wear on a helmet, bike people. Wear on a helmet and watch the traffic. Learn how to overtake and stuff. All right? All right, Great Legion and all people of the world. Serious thing. Because, man, I'm really concerned because we have a lot of... Yeah, I always tell them on my show, watch the traffic. I don't know if the traffic department have to do a re-education program to the cyclists so they know how to take over and overtake a different thing, because we observe, you know, the cyclists, they overtake any kind of way and it's dangerous all between vehicles. It's sad. And again, this make us feel the pain of our loved one going down like this. You feel me? So that's my parting words. Keep it safe. The cyclists and the people on the road. Look out for each other. Because we got next topic, but not going there because they knock down a lot of animals and different things.
Well, a lot of topic we talk about, though.
That, but
the cross country too. We are talking about cross country too. Yeah. Well, because like I just say real quick, right? Because it's not about cross country, but I have to, and before I lose my train of thought, the cross country, Easter cross country, cycling classic, whatever. I think when they bring the Americans, put them in a different bracket because Belizeans not ready for that yet. Put them up here and then put the race in a different bracket.
That'll be an issue.
Maybe an issue too.
Yeah, big issue.
We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it more.
Yeah, because the race where like soccer, all the teams have to involve in a league and who win. You know, even if from home abroad, because if you do that, then yeah. But anyway, that's another topic.
Another topic. Yeah. But we'll talk about that maybe on the Monday Night Talk Show or something like that.
Yes, so remember, like I said, my final words, cyclists out there, keep it safe, because Consigo was a victim of that. Like it or not, respect to the man. Let's try to do our best and live as long as we can. You know, like I said, they are for all of us. We don't know mysteriously, whatever, but sometimes try help yourself. If you help yourself, God help you too.
All right.
That's it. Sereme, 91.7, Bushman. Love you all. Stay up.
She ready to go down, so she ready like a rodeo. But she don't want
So you those who tuning in, let's watch the live again, right?
but she don't want
Good to go, Bushman is out.
pretty lady. I want to be pretty lady. Want to be pretty lady. I want to be pretty lady. I shake to be pretty lady. I shake to be pretty lady. Shake to be pretty lady. Shake to be pretty girl and say she ready to go bash. So she ready to like a rodeo. But she don't want she to go ready to like a rodeo. Cause she don't want she to go. She ready to go bash. So she ready to like a rodeo. But she don't want she to go ready to like a rodeo. Cause she don't want she to go ready to like a rodeo. She don't want she to go ready to like a rodeo. Consigo tele. Oh yeah, oi. Teriega no, busetelu nege talina. Teriega no, busetelu nege tala. Teriega no, busetelu nege talina. Ubatalu tabina, ubatalu tala, ubatalu tabina, ubatalu tala, ubatalu tabina, ubatalu tala. He want to be pretty lady, 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 he want to be pretty lady. You want to be pretty lady. If you need to know, But she know what she could do, that is like a rodeo. But she know what she could do. Wife me pretty lady, I wife me pretty lady, wife me pretty lady, I wife me pretty lady, I shake me pretty lady, I shake me pretty lady, shake me pretty lady, shake me pretty girl and say she ready to go bash. So she ride it like a rodeo, but she know what she could do.